Okay, this is part 3. We're still continuing on with the 1000 grit stone. I'm going to go over it a few more times, make sure it's nice and polished. Polishes the edge up nice. Here's sharp. This looks good. This looks real nice. It's sharp. Looks pretty good. There we go. Now it's starting to cut. There we go. See, it's pretty sharp. Still dragging a little bit. Still pretty sharp though. Still dragging a few spots though. Over it a few more times. Polish it up good. Doing here, I'm just making sure there's no burrs on it. I'm going over it real light. Really light. Alright. Yeah, that should be sharp. Yeah, there we go. See? It's a little bit sharper now. Alright. Alright, there we go, guys. That's a Tano. Recon Tano. Old steel. It was dollar and brick when I got it. Now it's sharp. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this all the way up to polish the edge. So I'm going to start the next video here. I'm going to start setting up for the next video here with you guys. Okay, went through all the stones other than the 120 grit, which is really not good for just sharpening. So what I'm going to do, clean this up a little bit, jump off of it. Start out with a 2000 grit tape. Just going to put my glass blank on here. So, it's 2000 grit. Start with a 2000 grit tape. It's pretty much just quick and dirty. I'm not really getting into it as far as real detail because we only have so much time. But alright, here's 2000 grit tape. Alright, start the next video.